Noises are fun, and they're everywhere. This morning I discovered squeaky feet. Let's listen. I hear Boo's telling me she wants to go outside. The animals are communicating with me. What's that sound? That's my alarm sound going on. So many noises this morning. It's the alarm sound. She hears birds on her house. And if we look, way up, way up. Where are they now? Are you showing me with your eyes? Are they in the trees? There they are. I heard them behind me. Listen to the noises they make. They may tell us what kind of birds they are. It was the street sweeper that made that noise. There are noises everywhere in your house. Sometimes, I just heard one. Do you hear that? That's a train. It's going by my house right now. Your house, sit and just listen for a little bit. Listen for the sounds and noises. Sometimes you don't hear any, or you think. Keep listening. You'll hear something.